Welcome to the Triton 5 online manual. Adding scheduled tasks is key to running an efficient planned maintenance system. Triton provides triggers, tracks hours, and builds history for every equipment or critical system. This brief video will show you how to add planned maintenance tasks to equipment. Start in the Equipment Lists module and select your item of equipment. In the Data Entry screen, scroll down to Planned Maintenance Schedules and select the Create New Schedule button. This will open up a new window where you can build your planned maintenance. Create a subject or task name, and then in the description or notes, you can copy and paste from the PDF manual, or you can type it in as you like. The schedule pattern for this job will be hours only, and we want to perform every 1,000 hours. You can be reminded 20 equipment hours before due, so it comes up early on your work list. And we'll also add the spares in. This means that whenever this job is completed, these spares will be removed from inventory. Don't forget to add the amount. And when you're done, click Save and Close. You should see it appear on the planned maintenance schedule. Since it's overdue, we're putting it on the work list now. And that is how you complete a planned maintenance schedule for a piece of equipment. For more information, visit our website at greatcirclesys.com or explore our YouTube channel for more Triton 5 procedures. Thank you for watching the Triton 5 online manual.